Welcome to the CONVAL in an Overview screencast, the first in the Getting Started series of CONVAL College. Hello, I'm Henk Hinsen. When you reach the end of this tutorial, you should be able to navigate around CONVAL and its modules, be familiar with the various frames within each given module, getting around with cases, parameters, masks and graphs, and have some insight into its generic modules. This is the CONVAL College outline listing the complete set of screencasts to be released. They will gradually be placed on the CONVAL website. Best to check this website regularly. CONVAL is a process and instrumentation engineering tool. It is developed by First GmbH out of Germany and is on the market since 1989. Its current release is CONVAL 8. And it's a Windows PC application and will run under practically any Windows operating system. CONVAL consists of about 20 modules. They can be selected from this main window. And most often there are several ways to navigate around. One is to click one of the modules in the list, for example, the control valve module. Each module opens with a main view and 3 additional views. And each additional view can be hidden using the toolbar. One can hide the tree on the left, one can hide the error message on the bottom, and one can hide the help level on the right. The tree view allows to quick navigate between blocks of information. And also you have a toggle view to toggle between 2 types of tree views. The help view provides dynamic information when you move from characteristic to characteristic, while you can also click and you can toggle it between the information view, which gives you information summarizing the essential calculation information. The error view has 2 sections, listing of errors on the left and hyperlinks on the right. And error messages are grouped using icons and can be hidden. The hyperlinks appear dynamically in a logical order to assist the user to enter calculation information. And clicking one of those, medium, brings you directly to that right field. You see the dynamic, the help level will follow. Data can be entered, for example water for medium, and notice that the hyperlink will disappear. We'll quickly enter some more data, temperature, pressures, and flow. So we have a basic calculation. Notice that several parameters have icons. In the case of water, it's a lookup icon. In the case of CV, the flow coefficient, it's a calculator. It's a calculator because it's a calculation based on pressure, temperatures, and flows. Clicking this icon pops up a window where you can express this CV as a function, for example, of upstream pressure. Clicking the update will actually generate a curve. As you can Many variables have units of measure, and CONVAL provides a structured way to handle units of measure, and each user can create his or her set of units of measure by clicking on this default units. He can create a new one, save it as, edit, modify, whatever. Parameters are automatically recalculated based on a different unit of measure. For example, if I'm going from bar to PSI, you see the units of measure, the values have been changed. And parameters expressed in a different user of measure from the user set or the default set will be shown in bold. For each parameter field, a note can be written. And you will see that a paperclip appear in the view as well as in the print. Sections can be fully displayed or partially hidden using the plus or the minus button. And there are plus and minus button at the top in the toolbar section to display all or minimum information. Multiple cases can be opened. Enhanced graphics can be generated. Multiple units can be opened. And one can navigate between those different units. And two modules require special attention because they can be invoked from all other modules. One is the substance calculation module, which is a database of substances. A default set is provided with CONVAL, and the user can append or edit this database. And a second one is the regression module, which is used to translate any curve used in CONVAL into a polynomial. And this concludes this screencast. Thanks for watching CONVAL College.